Hello there, Helen, your wellbeing advisor here again. Now I have put together some oils today that will be able to help you boost your feelings of self-worth and self-esteem. So one of my personal favourite oils for this is Ylang Ylang, which is a really sweet kind of flowery smell, and it's very warming. I think the smell's amazing, and it is really great for instilling confidence in yourself, combating the fear of failure and shyness, among other things. Now combining that with some ginger is really nice, using just a small amount of the ginger because it's really strong, but ginger actually helps with self-acceptance, which I think is really nice. And the last one I'd advise is rose. Rose is just the most lovely smell, and it's really good for promoting self-love and purifying our emotions as well. So the combination of all three would be lovely, or you could just use them individually. Again, you could put some in some oil, in some almond or olive oil, a few drops, and then you could just rub it about your person, on your heart centre or your solar plexus, which is your area of confidence. So yeah, have a go, look at our website.